we doing today?
We are building my computer.
We're going to build you a computer?
Because it has very old parts in it, so we're getting new parts and the fan stopped working, so we're making the fans work again.
Yep.
It didn't light up.
We've got everything now. They're not lighting up now. So, here's the first bit. Okay, you ready? What is this?
Is this the motherboard?
What do you think? What do you think that one is? No, this one.
I'm looking to see everything. This is
Oh, you're trying to look at
motherboard.
everything. That's the motherboard? What do you think this one is?
Those are the two lines that go somewhere.
What are they called?
I don't know.
It's called RAM.
Yeah.
And is it going to light up?
Yes.
It's going to light up RAM.
Everything, mostly my computer's gonna light up. It's gonna be very colorful.
RGB RAM. And then what's this?
That is... I forgot the name, but I know what it is.
It is the CPU.
Yeah.
Okay? It doesn't light up because it's going to be hidden. But it's going to be hidden behind this fan.
The fan, yeah.
And what does the fan do?
Right here.
It goes right there. No, that fan's going to be on the
It's gonna be
CPU.
right here.
And it does what?
It's...
RGB. It lights up too.
Yeah, I
Okay.
like that. Mostly
And then we got
all
your
the fans
cables.
light up. Yeah.
And we have an old GPU that we're going to put in there too. And your power supply.
Yeah.
So what do we start with?
The motherboard.
Start with the motherboard. Okay.
So, because that's what everything we put on.
So what do we got in here? We got SATA cable. This is the shield. It's going to go on the back. You got a new one of those. Look at this.
There's the
Look at these
instructions.
bags. There's one little baby screw. Each bag has its own little baby screw.
Wait, there's stickers.
That's not a sticker. That's a CD-ROM.
Why is there CD?
We don't even have a CD DVD player. So here's the motherboard. Okay, we're going to be gentle with this. Okay,
Really big
right?
and really fragile.
I think that's everything in the box, yeah? Okay.
Yep.
So close the box for me. Make me.
It's
Huh?
white over here and stuff, so it matches my computer.
Matches your computer. The case.
Yep.
So it's going to be white to the bottom. First, we got to do this bit.
How do you do that?
So we put this up. And then this is what goes in next. So this,
So it's
what's
the
this one?
CPU.
The CPU. Ta-da.
That one has a sticker in it.
This is the one that has a sticker in it, but we'll save the sticker for the end.
Yeah, oh, let's see the sticker.
Take the instruction book. I think there's your sticker. Intel Core i3, 10th gen. So look, this whole box, this is all we needed, was this little thing.
Oh, it's so small.
Isn't that cool? Well, there's also a fan in here. But we're not going to use that fan because we have a better one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. We already have 4 fans.
so look, here's how we figured it out.
Okay.
So when you look at here, there's a little arrow right there. See on the bottom left? See a little arrow?
Yeah.
See a little arrow? Now, if you look at right here, because this is where it's going to go, it's going to just drop in. See, there's a little
Arrow.
pointy thing. So, you want me? I'm going to do this bit, okay?
Yeah, because it's really small and I might drop it.
If you drop it, then it's not going to work. You can't break the pins on the back. That would be bad.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's
you
the
ready?
sticker. Yep.
So there it is.
Oh.
It's going to go just like that.
Do you close it?
And then, wait, not with like that, like this.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Like that.
Push it down into place. Do you even need
Done.
that part?
No, this is just gonna pop out. So there we go. All set. First one done.
Yee!
Okay. See.
Oh.
Now I think we need this.
Ooh, it has flames on the wheels.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool.
It has like. Oh my gosh. It's so clean. Oh my goodness. Oh, it says warning. Move before.
Yeah. No, don't take that off. That's the part that's gonna go right when we put it on. It's gonna go like this.
It's gonna stick.
It's gonna have to touch the CPU.
Oh.
What do you think it's called?
RAM.
RAM.
Good.
Where do you think the RAM goes?
They're right here. Where?
Yeah.
they-
And wait. The cord's in the way. We gotta do it right. Okay, so first one, I'm hoping it's gonna be very tight. Let's see, so it lines up.
I want to do the next
Yeah, we made it. Look how close it is. Wait, why isn't it snapping? Do I line it up
one. I
right?
don't think it's supposed to snap.
No, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think.
No, it's supposed to snap. There it is. Oh, wait. That's why.
You're gonna have to push it back more
No, that's
to me.
little flag sticker.
Ah.
There we go.
Okay, you're gonna have
First
to
one down.
help me with this one.
Okay, so line it up right here. Wait, Gabby, you gotta pay attention. Gotta line up right. Go down. There we go.
Right there.
You ready? Snap. Snap. Both of them are in. Okay.
Yay.
So we have now the CPU in. We have the
And
CPU cooler.
RAMs.
We have the RAM.
Next
And
is this-
so
wires.
that's everything that is
on the motherboard.
on the motherboard for now. This GPU is going to go on the motherboard right here later.
Okay.
Okay.
And then that is.
And then this is the power supply. So next, we pretty much just have a bunch of me putting things together inside the computer. Because what I did earlier, here, move this book somewhere. Okay. What I did earlier, you want to see. Let's see if we pull it in. Ah, you're gone. But you can
I'm
see
still here.
right here,
Yep.
that's your SSD. And then there's also a hard drive mounted right down here. See how it's screwed in? And the other one's screwed in. So those are all ready to go.
You put those in.
Yep. So what do you got now?
I got the. It's they're the wires. The little wires.
What do you think the wires are for?
They're so everything is not that crazy inside my computer because they're all crazy.
So it's gonna look nice?
Yeah, it's gonna
You-
kind of light up because they're near some things that light up.
Yep. All right. What part is next? Do we do the power supply or the GPU?
I think it's the GPU because you have to put it on the motherboard and then this is in the front and everything.
Guess again.
So this is first and then this is
Yeah, I think we can put the GPU in next.
what?
What? I guess we could probably do either or, but just in case, if I need to change any of the cables, we can come back and fix it without having to take the power supply out. So we do the power supply next. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, where does the power supply go? That box.
Here.
On this PC, that fan is so big.
Um,
Where do you think it goes?
This flames
The
out.
power supply goes right here? Or does it go right here? Do I put it up here?
No,
Or does it maybe go in there?
in there.
In there? Did you have fun building your new PC?
Yes.
Yeah?
It is way faster, so it's much better.
And what do you think of it?
I love it. No, because the thing that lights up behind the motherboard, it stays on when you turn the computer off. And then it's like my lights, my fans work, they're smooth, and it's just amazing.